Viruses. Virus is a Latin word meaning poison. A virus is a microscopic, non-living infectious agent that can only reproduce inside the living cells of a host organism. It consists of genetic material DNA or RNA enclosed in a protein coat, and it lacks the cellular machinery to carry out life processes on its own. Structure of viruses. There are many different viruses in the world. They may vary in their sizes, shapes and life cycles. Viruses have a few common features which includes capsid, genome, envelope. Capsid. The capsid protects the genome. It also gives shape to the viruses, and is responsible for the helical, icosahedral or complex symmetry. Genome. The genome contains either DNA or RNA, but not both, and the nucleic acid may be single or double-stranded. Envelope. Some viruses are surrounded by a flexible membrane known as envelope. It is composed of lipids and protein and is similar to the host cell membrane.